Hi, my name is Gummi from Data Drive, and we connect cars. I'd like to share with you a little story about me and my co-founders. In the year 2000, we got an idea to fit all vehicles with a little device, a black box, that would be installed into a vehicle and could tell you how you were driving, if you were a good driver or a not so good driver. Well, for the last 15 years, we have successfully helped companies save on their fleet cost by lowering the fuel usage and the accident rate. Now, we believe the time is for a private car. We believe that if you can't measure it, you can't manage it. We live in times where everything is connected and measured. We have Fitbit for our health, we have Nest for our homes, and we have Meniga to keep an eye on our financials. But what about our cars? Well, our car is basically one big, giant computer on wheels, and it's creating a lot of information for us. Most of us travel by a private car. A modern family, they spend up to 18% of their total income on transportation. And biggest part of it goes to a private car. To own and drive a private car today, the cost is around $9,000 per year. And this cost is pretty hidden for a user to save. User is confused, is less sensitive on where and how to save on this huge amount. So our solution is simple. You just plug in our little device to your car, you download our app, and start to get an overview of your driving. Our solution gives the driver a complete overview of the cost of ownership, and it encourages the driver to drive better and to save both time and money. And best of all, with our solution, the car owner will get access to a marketplace of car-related services where he can get the best deals and best offers at any time. We believe that we have the right product at the right time. We have the acceptance now. Everyone has a smartphone. And people are measuring all kinds of things. Sometimes even strange things as well. And we have the regulation in place. According to EU, all new cars will be connected by the year 2018. With our device, the car will provide us the data, and we provide information for the drivers. We submit the data to a marketplace, and the drivers start to receive offers from the marketplace. The marketplace pays us for the data and the direct access. And then at any time, car owners, they can send in a request for services to the marketplace. The automotive industry is enormous. It's 1 billion cars in our planet. And this industry has the second largest marketing budget. So by creating a bridge between the car owner and the car services, we are creating immense value for both. The car owner, they can lower the insurance, reduce fuel usage, they can pay less for repairs and get the best deals. While the car services, they will have a direct connection to the car owner, know their needs, and build up engagement and create new revenues. And according to studies, a car owner who is with his vehicle connected can save up to $1,400 per year $1,400. This market is crowded for commercial vehicles, but as for a private market, there are only a few companies, and we are the only one who are focusing on setting up the marketplace. We are now with our product in testing, and we have started gathering users. And we are working closely now with Vodafone and other distribution partners, like the insurance companies, fuel companies, dealerships, and financing companies to get the mass for us. We have 15 years of experience in this. We have proven ourselves in a commercial market. We have even built our own hardware. We invented patents for driving behavior. And this is all before the term Connect Car. And to get us up to speed, we also hired 2 brilliant programmers to our team, and they were born in 1996. The 2 on the right, if it's unclear to you. Well, since we founded the company in February, we've been quite busy. Vodafone came in as a shareholder. Our programming platform was chosen for the Startup Iceland hackathon. We joined Startup Reykjavík in June. Haven't slept since then. Got our first business deal in July. And now, as today, in August, we have signed contracts for over 500 devices. It was 2 months. Quite a work. But our goal is to have 1,000 devices connected by end of this year. And next year, we will start building up our marketplace, and we will seek partnerships with the international market. And our goal is to reach 10,000 devices by end of next year. We are seeking funding to acquire 10,000 new users, to build up the marketplace, and to gather new markets. So we have the experience, and we have the knowledge, and we're looking for a key partner to join us on this new adventure. Thank you.